The recent cryptocurrency market and the anticipation of investors and traders are currently bearish, especially in the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. With the recent move in Bitcoin, which is currently showing a more bearishness in the upcoming days, we may see a price fall to the 32,500 level. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. The bottom line is that the Bitcoin will trend higher in 2024. That's literally all that matters. GBTC dumping is more psychological than people realize. The negative dumping is causing negative sentiment around Bitcoin and also leading to a negative price action because of fear. The actual quantity being dumped isn't suppressing price. There's enough buy pressure, and it's a matter of time before ETF inflows start causing a major supply shock. We're going higher, that's all that matters. Play accordingly. When the crowd turns bearish, it's time to be extremely bullish. $1 million Bitcoin incoming, and it's actually inevitable. Big break-in, BlackRock's Bitcoin holdings are now worth $1.72 billion. That's massive. Just in, Grayscale is selling even more. From January 12th, Grayscale is selling day by day a lot of Bitcoins. In the last 12 days, Grayscale sold 103,000 Bitcoins, and it's an enormous selling pressure. And in this screenshot, we could see the dollar amount of total holdings. Or I don't know, actually not the dollars amount, the Bitcoin amount of total holdings as the Bitcoin price go on, and how they starting on selling and their supply going down from 620,000 at the highest to around 530,000 tokens right there. This is massive. Just a huge amount of tokens being sold in a short period of time in just 12 days. Just imagine that. Also, to the next one, Bitcoin leads to a new path, and here we could see how it starts. Today, you are born and your life path, and basically the Bitcoin and your life today, it starts being even more when you reach the Bitcoin, the past and the future. You could have had a lot of opportunities during your life, but now you're heading into a huge possibilities into your life actually entering the Bitcoin. Life path close to you and life path open to you, as well as life path open for you right now when you get into Bitcoin. Also, just in, as Grayscale just sent another 19,200 Bitcoin worth 760 million to Coinbase, and they are about to sell them too. World's top 10 Bitcoin holders, and here we could see the Satoshi Nakamoto was 1.1 million, Binance 643,000 Bitcoin, Grayscale already 530,000 Bitcoins, not 627. US government was 207k, MT Gox was 200k, Bitfinex was 186, China government was 984, MicroStrategy was 152, Block 140,000, Robinhood 118,000. And following it, Robinhood right now was 155,000 Bitcoins, and it's still continuing to grow. Bitcoin's weekly close below 38,000 can drag it to 32,500 level, and here is how. The recent cryptocurrency market and anticipation of investors and traders are currently bearish, especially the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin in a weekly time frame was strongly rejected due to the strong resistance at $48,000 level. However, currently Bitcoin, after the consolidation of the last 5 weeks, gives a breakdown of the consolidation zone between 43,900 and 40,000. Additionally, the breakdown of the weekly time frame is not confirmed yet, but due to the current negative sentiment and overall bearish momentum, it looks like Bitcoin will confirm this breakdown the same. As per the technical analysis, if we look at a Bitcoin on a weekly time frame, it shows a higher high and a higher low structure, which is bullish for a longer period of time. Still, this time, after making its higher high, it's now moving towards a higher low level, which is at 32,500. However, the critical zone consists of 3 more key technical elements as the bottom line of the parallel channel and the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level as the 50-week simple moving average. As together these factors factors create a strong defense line that may stop any further decline in Bitcoin prices. Additionally, for investors and traders, this lower low will be tough situation, and the value of this lower low might change in the future. And despite his current technical analysis, Arthur Hayes, a prominent trader and former CEO of BitMEX, also predicted that the Bitcoin price would fall to $33,000, as Hayes, prior to the approval of spot Bitcoin ETF, had a bearish views on Bitcoin, and recently in his blog post when Bitcoin was trading in near 42,000, they also purchased a put optional with a strike price of 35,000 and with an expiry date of March 29, 2024 as reported by Today Q News. So looking at all of these technical analysis currently, Bitcoin is trading near 40k level, and in the last 24 hours it experienced the 2.5% of upside price momentum. And if we look at Bitcoin's price over a long period of time of last 30 days, Bitcoin experienced over 8.5% downside momentum, and it actually plays out. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more news on the Bitcoin. See you in the next one, and peace.